Okay, so we're doing 2 toe touches and then a hit to the wall. When we get to the wall, we're trying to flatten up on the wall. We're working our hands through the slot. We're getting on the wall, flat at contact. These are center pitches that she's working right now. Okay, now we're going to do outside. She's going to get up a little bit closer to the, yep, good. 2 toe touches, working balance, working linear preparation. Scoring up on the outside, working the angle down through the ball. Hitting home runs! Middle again. Go center up. Okay, so this is a regular stance. Working the hands through the zone. Flattening up on the wall. Good, good.